Welcome to our channel. Today, we're counting down the top 10 car gadgets and accessories you need in 2024. These must-have items will enhance your driving experience, boost your car's functionality, and keep you safe on the road. Let's dive in. At number 10, we have the heads-up display, HUD. This gadget projects key information like speed, navigation, and fuel levels directly onto your windshield, allowing you to stay informed without taking your eyes off the road. The latest models even offer customizable displays and integration with your smartphone. Number 9 on our list is the dash cam. These cameras continuously record your drive, providing crucial evidence in case of accidents or disputes. Newer models feature 4K resolution, night vision, and even dual cameras to monitor both the front and rear of your vehicle. Coming in at number 8 is the wireless phone charger. Forget the tangled cables, these chargers are built into your car's console or mount easily on the dashboard, allowing for a sleek and convenient way to keep your phone charged on the go. At number 7, we have the Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS. Maintaining proper tire pressure is crucial for safety and fuel efficiency. This system alerts you when your tire pressure is low, helping to prevent blowouts and improve your car's performance. Number 6 is a lifesaver, the portable jump starter. No more waiting for roadside assistance or relying on another car for a jump. This compact device can jumpstart your car's battery and often comes with additional features like USB ports for charging your devices. At number 5, we have the Bluetooth OBD-II scanner. Plug this into your car's diagnostic port and pair it with your smartphone to monitor engine health, diagnose issues, and even turn off that pesky check engine light. It's a handy tool for any car owner. Number 4 is the Smart Rearview mirror. These mirrors double as a dash cam, GPS navigator, and display for reversing cameras, all while retaining the functionality of a traditional rearview mirror. Some models also offer voice control and touch screen capabilities. At number 3, we have the car air purifier. Keep the air in your car clean and fresh with these compact devices. They remove dust, allergens, and even harmful pollutants, making your drive healthier and more pleasant. Number 2 is the Smart Key Finder. If you're always misplacing your keys, this gadget is for you. Attach it to your keychain, and use your smartphone to locate your keys with a beep. Some models even allow you to find your phone by pressing a button on the key finder. Finally, at number 1, we have the Advanced Driver Assistance System, ADAS. This system includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warnings, and automatic emergency braking. ADAS enhances safety by helping you stay in your lane, maintaining a safe distance from other vehicles, and even preventing collisions. And that wraps up our list of the top 10 car gadgets and accessories you need in 2024. Whether you're looking to upgrade your car's tech, enhance safety, or just make your drive more convenient, these gadgets have got you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Drive safe.